Merry Christmas, all my crafty friends. I'm using some really cute scrapbook paper that looks like Christmas cookies to make this ornament. I'll be using some of the beautiful ribbons, beads, and trim that I got from BeeBeeCraft. This is going to be so cute and simple. Grab your kids. They can do this too. So if you're ready, let's make a mess. I painted this onion-shaped wooden ornament white. It had some printing on it that I didn't want to show through the paper. I'm painting the ornament base with Polyvine Decorator's Varnish. I intend to use this as my decoupage glue. It works way better than Mod Podge. This product has become my go-to for decoupaging and varnishing my projects. And this product is available at decoupagenapkins.com. I'll leave you a link in my description box below. I'm spraying the paper with some water. This makes the paper more pliable and easier to work with. It also creates a strong bond when mixed with the decoupage glue. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. It's fun to see what cities and countries you are all watching from. I'm filming from Las Vegas, Nevada in the United States. I'll let this dry for a few hours, and now I'm using some sandpaper to remove the excess paper from around the edges. This creates a nice sheared edge. Now I'll do the exact same thing to the other side of the ornament. Everything is dry, so I'm giving both sides a final coat of the Polyvine Decorator's Varnish. I'll let that dry for about 30 minutes. If you're enjoying this video, please let me know by hitting that like button. And why not share this with a friend? Thanks for doing that. I'm going to add this gorgeous trim from BeeBeeCraft around the edges on the front and back of the ornament. This trim is so pretty. It's made with silver metallic thread and silver sequins. BeeBeeCraft is a large supplier which provides high-quality jewelry making supplies, from glass beads, European beads, gemstone beads, etc., to jewelry findings like jump rings, clasps, bead caps, veils, etc., sewing and fabric, DIY craft, etc., to accessories, along with some fabulous trims and ribbons. Their prices are amazing. Check them out. I'll leave you a link in my description box below. I'm going to add some 3D paint to a few of the features on the pictures. I'm using Tulip Puffy Paint for fabrics. This stuff is great and you can use it for anything, not just fabric. This will need to dry overnight. All the products and tools I use and recommend in my videos have been tested by me. I won't suggest something that I haven't used myself. Each product will be listed in my description box below and will have a blue link to make it easy for you to find. Any of the links I provide are safe for you to click on. I'm going to make a bow using this beautiful blue velvet ribbon from BeeBeeCraft. I chose velvet ribbon, but they have many different types of ribbon. They have satin ribbon, printed ribbon, along with some woven ribbons and lace. This beautiful velvet ribbon, it came with 15 different colors and about 2 yards of each color. These ribbons are so nice and the colors are gorgeous. I also added some red satin ribbon and some white lace, then a tiny green bow in the center. I made 2 of them, one for the front and one for the back. This is going to be my last Christmas video for this year. I'm going to take a very small break and then I'll be back with some amazing projects. Now I'm making 2 smaller bows for the bottom of the ornament. These beads in green that look just like jade pair up so beautiful with the red ones. Oh my goodness, these beads in a cranberry red are so perfect for Christmas. They are kind of a frosty color, so pretty. These beads are so cute. They look like Christmas lights. All of these beautiful beads came from BeeBeeCraft, and I'm going to be adding some of them to this cute little ornament. I'm stringing them on some silver thread. I'll sew through the bow and then back down through the beads. I'm adding a drop of glue at the top and one at the bottom on the last bead and the string. Now I'm adding a tassel to the bottom bead. Then I'll glue the 2 bottom bows together with the beads and tassel in the center. I glued the bottom bows to the bottom of the ornament. Now I'm stringing some of those gorgeous beads on a silver string attached to the top of the ornament. Then sewing a red ribbon hanger to the top of the beads, then back down through the beads again. I'll place a drop of glue to secure the thread. Now it's time to glue those beautiful bows on the ornament. It wouldn't be me if I didn't add a rhinestone somewhere. So I put a green one in the center of each bow. BeeBeeCraft was such a pleasure to work with, and they sent my order fast. I put together a playlist of some other tutorials you may enjoy. Click the picture on the right to be taken directly to that playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking my picture in the top right corner so you don't miss any future videos.